What's up, guys? So today we're talking room tour. What's up, you guys? We are filming again. Today it's gonna be a room tour. Let's go. So what's up, guys? Long time no see. I'm back again. I keep saying that every time I upload a video, I feel like I'm back, and then I'm just take a hiatus for like a month or two or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. This is the room. Yep, pretty much it. Yep. Okay, we're done. Just kidding. Been really demotivated as of late. I just don't want to pick up the camera. I don't want to get out of bed. I just want to cozy up and do nothing. But today it is different. So how have you guys been? I hope you're doing great. This is the majority of the space right here. It's actually a really small room. I think we're working with like 12 by 10. So it's kind of small, but it's cozy. Or what we don't make up for in size, we make up with cozy vibes. So yeah, this is the main space. This is our bed. It's a full size. I would love a king. When we stayed up north, they had a king size bed, and it was like the creme de la creme. It was so good. So I'd love to go back up there and I'd steal their bed. I'll just take that with me when we go next time. We got the bookshelf behind you guys. I got everything from rocks. Me and Sid love to collect agates when we go on little adventures and we go down gravel roads and try to find agates. So we have those on the top shelf, all of our finds and collections from the last like 2 years. The next shelf up, we have a bunch of books. Recently been getting into reading a lot. More interior design themed books, color, theory, houseplants, simple living, minimalism, things like that. Really getting into that. The next shelf is my favorite because it has all my camera stuff on it. There's not a whole lot out here right now, just my 35mm and my other Sony a6400 with the 24. Actually, no, I have a 12mm lens on there. And then we have the Atomos Ninja 5 up here all put together. Pretty sick little setup right there. And then we got books on books. Vintage camera. So my other battery just died, which was, it's always fun. I have 15% on this one, so let's finish this tour ASAP. So flip around here. Bed. Beautiful linen blanket. Love the throws. We got the TV when we're sitting in bed, you know, hanging out. You just take a load off real quick. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Sit down, watch some TV. You know, we got the fairy lights up here. Pretty snazzy. You know, it's nice just to hang out in bed. You know, you see what I mean? No, it's pretty nice. I wish it was bigger, though. I do wish it was bigger. You guys are hanging out with me. The lighting is better this way, so we'll go over here. I think this is like the best lighting that I could possibly get. So here we go. And we're probably already at 10% battery. This is gonna be a quick video, by the way, but you know what, it's something. Flip you guys around. We got the Peter McKinnon bag here for when we go travel. I gotta have my fan noise. If I can't sleep without a fan or some kind of noise going on in the background. I don't like complete silence because it freaks me out. I don't know, I have this weird thing. I need some kind of noise, you know? We got the bed tables, you know, you got your basics, couple books, you got your massage boy. And then a very important part of the room, we have my phone, which you guys should go and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, because I need more followers. We have these huge windows I absolutely love. They're like floor to ceiling windows. So beautiful. Absolutely love that. And then this angle right here, this view, look at that. Oh, it's just, it's nice, man. It's fresh. All right, so this is the wide shot, which I think looks pretty cool. I mean, the room looks pretty big, you know? But it's really not that big, but it looks cool. I do really like the color of the walls. When we first moved in, I absolutely hated it. So that's why I had them paint the living room gray. And now I kind of regret it. And I actually really like the color. No, I really do like the color though. It looks sweet. I don't know what color it is, but you know, it's like a tan-ish kind of color. I got some stuffs up here. Pretty sweet looking. More stuffs. We got an adventure fund. As you can see, we're definitely going to Iceland like tomorrow. We got so much money in that adventure fund. If you don't have a mirror, The room doesn't look cool. I would like to get a big mirror, like to fill up this entire space. I think I'm gonna do that. I think that might be everything though in the room for the most part. We do have this sign up here. We have you are home. You are home. You are home to me. Love that. And we have more plants. We got these two from Target. Love those. It kind of goes with the wall color. Gotta have the freaking tungsten light. I think that's gonna wrap it up for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. I got intimate with you guys. We're here. You're in my room. I really hope I have before footage or pictures or something from when we first decorated this room, because we had nothing. We had nothing in this room whatsoever. The bed was on the floor. We had no box spring, no frame, nothing. It was the mattress on the floor. We had none of these linens. We didn't have the stands. We didn't have pictures on the wall. We didn't have the bookshelf. We didn't have anything. It was just all of this was boxes, and we had a really old crappy dresser, not this like fancy freaking walnut. Look at that sexy. Look at those pulley knobs. Ugh, we've come a long way, man. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.